Hello friends, in this video you are watching Basin Mixer Tall Boy with press switch for flow control and a sphere for temperature gradient adjustment. Is a sleek and innovative faucet designed to provide both style and functionality in the bathroom. Tall Boy design ensures that the water stream reaches the center of the basin, preventing splashing and providing a comfortable washing experience. Press switch for easy control of water flow. Rotating the sphere clockwise or counterclockwise, providing precise temperature control. Again press switch to stop the water flow.